Hey there, hi there, ho there. Dino D, American in the Philippines YouTube channel. We have another unboxing to go through. This item right here is pretty heavy. There's actually two packages. Here's one and here's the other. So let's go ahead and get this started and see what we may have in here. I'm using my utility knife to cut this open with. This is the item right here that I'm kind of hoping it's like 4,100 pesos for this item. Let's see if we can keep from cutting anything inside that we don't want to cut. And from the looks of it, this is exactly what I ordered and was hoping to get today. I got an MV2 Kingston brand PCIe Express 4.0 NVMe M.2 hard drive, 1 terabyte. It shows 3,500 megabits per second write. So this is going to go on my computer later on today. I'll add another hard drive to my computer. It'd be nice if they came with the little screws, but they don't. Alright, let's move on to the next subject. We don't need to dwindle one things too long, do we? This one's heavy. I think this is the top, maybe. We're trying not to cut ourselves. And what's in this package? Jeez. Our fingers out of the way. This was like 500 pesos for this item. Oh my god, it's heavy. What might be in here, huh? That part done. It says classic roast, medium roast coffee, Folgers. That's not what's in here. I ordered another item from the US to make my life a little bit nicer over here, and here it is. Look at there. Giant container, Mrs. Buttersworth original syrup. Here's a closer picture of it. Am I going to enjoy pancakes and French toast a lot more with this? Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching the unpackaging.